Hey, how's it going? My name is Devin. I'm with Infinity Home Improvement. I'm one of the gutter helmet representatives here in the state of Michigan, and we're going to be talking about gutter helmet today. Something else that we want to talk about for all of you guys to know is the triple lifetime warranty that we offer with our gutter helmet product. We have a lifetime warranty on the material, lifetime warranty on the performance, and a lifetime warranty on the service. If we were to zoom in here on the lifetime warranty on our material, let's make sure that when you get gutter helmet installed on your home, there's no imperfections or blemishes coming from the manufacturer, making sure it was made properly before it gets put on the home. And then you also have a lifetime warranty on the performance. We are actually the only gutter protection system in the United States that offers a warranty on the performance, saying you're never going to clean your gutters again, and you don't have to clean and maintain some filter product. We offer a lifetime warranty there. Along with that performance warranty, we also guarantee that you're going to collect all of the rainwater that's coming off of your roof. And we also offer the warranty on the service, making sure that it was installed properly. And with Gutter Helmet, we make sure that all of our technicians and representatives are certified. So it gives you the peace of mind knowing that you have the best gutter protection system and it was installed by someone who knows what they're doing. And they've proved their skill set from a combination of field training, work experience, and coursework that was validated through a final exam. And with this warranty, it's also transferable. If you were ever to sell your home or you get new homeowners, it transfers over to the kids or the grandkids, this warranty can transfer over to the next homeowners. So with all of this on your home, we're making sure to increase your home equity and your resale value as well.